Hi, I'm Katrina. I'm a Westfield River Wild and Scenic intern. We are at McNerney Road where the culvert was replaced. They replaced it with a bridge. In Western Mass, we are graced with a lot of rivers. Let's go take a look. When these culverts need to be replaced, it is really important that the vegetation is replaced with native plants, as it can provide food for native birds and other species. As you can see from this dogwood here, there are lots of fruits on this tree that provides a lot of food for these birds. Having a natural bottom like this for a culvert is really important for aquatic passage, because they are able to feel comfortable going through a wide open space like this with a bottom that looks like the rest of the river. It's not disruptive for them, as they have places to hide and they feel more comfortable traveling. Another thing about this bridge having a wider area underneath it, when you constrict the water flow, it increases the velocity of the river, makes it harder for fish to travel upstream or to migrate, and it also prevents as many macroinvertebrates from recolonizing the downstream after a major storm that might wash out all the macroinvertebrates from the area. Under the rocks of the rivers, you can find macroinvertebrates and their exoskeletons as they hatch out. And you can also sometimes find them on under bridges or under culverts. Another really important reason to have a wide opening for a culvert is during big storms, trees like this can pass through. Woody debris or detritus, which can also be provided from leaves that fall into the river, provide food for macroinvertebrates. And there's actually one right there that just hatched out. You can see this is a stonefly. Woody debris that falls in the river can provide deep holes. When the current pushes against the woody debris, the water will turn and kind of carve out the sediment that is there. Wonderful habitat for fish. Culverts and bridges that don't have a wide enough opening underneath them for woody debris to pass under will cause the woody debris to pile up against the opening of the culvert or bridge, and that will cause erosion because the water would not be able to pass through it during high water events. When roads wash out, the river will carry the sediment and all the pollutants that are on the road down the river, and that will fill in places that macroinvertebrates live and destroy good fish habitat. One of the things that you'll notice is a success is that they were able to keep the natural alignment of the stream when they put in this bridge, which is really amazing. If the culvert and the stream are not in alignment, there's a much greater chance that there will be more erosion. One of the things that helps with all erosion is the native plants that they've planted on both sides of the bridge. Some of the things I learned during this internship is that they would place these large boulders on the downstream side of the river, of the culvert or the bridge, to decrease the amount of erosion that will happen downstream of the bridge or culvert. I'm Katrina Bingham Maas. I'm an intern with the Westfield River Wild and Scenic Committee. We're here at Shaker Mill Brook, where it passes under McNerney Road in Becket, Massachusetts. If you're interested in learning more about Westfield River Wild and Scenic, contact us at westfieldriver@gmail.com and ask to be added to our contact list.